How to use the menu builder in StoreConnect. Hi, I'm Luke. Once you've got some pages on your StoreConnect store, you're probably wondering, well, how do I get them linked in the menu? Let's go through that.
All right, so here I have my website for Steve's Emporium. This is the home page. I have an About Us page and a contact page. Very simple. However, you'll notice that in the menu here, I don't see the other pages. They are not linked together in the menu. By default, StoreConnect uses categories to base its menu system on. But there's more than one way to create a menu in StoreConnect. So here's how to use the menu builder to build your own menu. Looking in the back end here, on my pages list view, I have my 3 pages. But the only way to get to them right now is via a direct link. So let's create a menu. Go to StoreConnect Navigation, open Configuration, Menus, and go to All Menus. You'll notice that there are no menus here because I have not made a menu structure at all. And so StoreConnect is basing it on other things. But now if I create a menu, it will override what is currently here. So to do this, I'll click New, and I'm going to create a new menu structure. So I'll give it a name, then include an identifier, which is a unique name for it in StoreConnect, and select My Store as the store it applies to. Then click Save. Now this is the menu record which has been created. Now I have to create the individual menu items. So to do that, over in the related side here, I go to Menu Item and click New. Alright, so the first menu item that I'll create is a link to my shop. So I'll give this record a name. I'll then give it a display name, which is literally just the title that it'll have in the menu. If this is not included, then it will simply use the display name of the page itself. And then under Menu, just ensure that it is connected to the main menu record. Then under Position, you can choose the order of the items in the menu. So if I want this one to display first, then I'll input a low number, such as 10, and the following menu items I'll include as 20, 30, etc. Then scroll down, and under the Targets section, you basically choose where this links to. So you can link them to individual articles, article categories, individual pages, individual products, or entire product categories. So if this is a link to my shop, then I'd want it to link to my product category of all my items. So I can simply search for it here, all products, and that's finished. Now I'll click Save and New to create the next menu item. Now I'll create a link to my About Us page. My About Us page is called About Us, so there's no need to enter in a display name here. And then the position of this menu item I'll set as 20. Then under Targets, I'll select the page for this to link to. Okay, good. Click Save and New. And finally, I'll include the contact page and set this as position 30. Link the page and click Save. Very good. Now looking at our main menu record, we'll now see that in the related area, this main menu has 3 menu items: the shop, the About Us, and the contact page. Now there's just one more step we need to do in order to get our store to adopt this new main menu system. Go to StoreConnect Navigation, under Configuration, Stores, open the Stores list view, select My Store, then go to the Content tab, and then go to the Content Management System sub-tab. And where it says Header Menu, edit this, and from here I'll select my main menu record to tell my store to use this as its menu. Click Save. Very good. Now let's refresh my site. And perfect. Now I've got the shop link, the About Us link, and the contact link. Another thing you can do is you can set menu items to be a child of another menu item. For example, if I wanted the contact page to appear under the About Us page, here's how I do that. Go back to my main menu record, select the contact page, and then under Parent Menu Item, edit this, and choose the About Us page. Save this, refresh my site, and now you'll see that Contact comes beneath About Us. However, what if I wanted this to act as a drop-down style menu, instead of having the page just permanently fixed there? To do this, I'll go to my About Us menu item. You'll now see that it has a child menu item, which is the contact page. And under Style Class Names, if I edit this, we can tell it to adopt a custom CSS style, which basically tells it what appearance it should have. In this case, I'm going to type in dropdown to tell it to use one of StoreConnect's standard drop-down menu styles. However, these style classes are not limited to what comes standardly in StoreConnect, and you can create your own style classes altogether. You can also add more than one style class at the same time to a menu item. Click Save, refresh the site. Perfect. Now when I hover on About Us, it drops down the menu and we now have access to Contact. And there you go. That's the basics of using the menu builder in StoreConnect.